Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best affordable drone in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is DJI Mini Combo Ultralight Foldable Drone. The DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo is the ultimate portable drone that offers the perfect blend of technology, performance, and versatility. Weighing just 249 g, this ultralight foldable drone is designed to be carried everywhere and capture stunning aerial footage. The 3-axis gimbal and 4K camera provide smooth and stable footage, while the 12MP photos allow you to capture stunning images from the air. With a 31-minute flight time and OcuSync 2.0 10 km HD video transmission, you can enjoy a long and uninterrupted flight experience. The Quick Shots feature lets you create professional-looking aerial footage with ease, even if you're new to flying drones. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a beginner, the DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo is the perfect drone for capturing your adventures and exploring the world from a new perspective. Number 2. Our second best pick is DJI Mavic Air 2 Drone Quadcopter UAV. The DJI Mavic Air 2 is a top-of-the-line drone perfect for capturing stunning aerial photography and videography. With its 48MP camera and 4K video capabilities, you'll be able to take stunning photos and videos with ease. The 1/2 CMOS sensor and 3-axis gimbal work together to produce smooth and stable shots, while the 8K hyperlapse feature allows you to create time-lapse sequences with incredible detail. With a 34-minute flight time and OcuSync 2.0 technology, the DJI Mavic Air 2 provides a long and uninterrupted flight experience. The ActiveTrack 3.0 feature also makes it easy to keep your subject in focus, whether it's a moving vehicle, person, or pet. Additionally, the compact and foldable design allows for easy portability, making it the perfect drone for traveling. Whether you're a professional photographer or just looking to capture special moments, the DJI Mavic Air 2 is a versatile and powerful tool for capturing your imagination from the sky. Number 3. Our third best pick is DJI Mini SE, Drone Quadcopter with 3-axis gimbal. The DJI Mini SE is the perfect drone for beginners and those who want to capture stunning aerial footage without breaking the bank. The drone is ultralight, weighing less than 249 g, making it easy to carry and operate, and also able to fly indoors. The Mini SE is equipped with a 3-axis gimbal and a 2.7K camera that can capture breathtaking aerial footage and stills, even in challenging weather conditions, thanks to its improved wind resistance. The drone's GPS system makes it easy to track the Mini SE and keep it stable in the air, while the 30-minute flight time allows you to capture ample footage without having to constantly recharge the battery. In addition, the return-to-home feature ensures the drone will safely return to its starting point if it flies out of range. The DJI Mini SE is a versatile, user-friendly, and affordable drone that is perfect for beginners or anyone looking to capture stunning aerial footage. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo Drone. The DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo is a versatile and powerful drone that is perfect for drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. This drone features a 3-axis gimbal camera that is capable of capturing stunning 5.4K video and crisp 1-inch CMOS sensor photos. The Air 2S is equipped with advanced obstacle sensing technology that can detect and avoid obstacles in 4 directions, making it a safe and reliable option for capturing aerial shots. With a flight time of up to 31 minutes, you'll have plenty of time to get the perfect shot. The drone also comes with 12 km 1080p video transmission, so you can see what the camera sees in real time. The Fly More combo includes 2 extra batteries, so you'll have enough power to keep flying all day long. The DJI Air 2S Fly More combo is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a high-quality drone that can capture stunning aerial footage and photos. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Parrot Anafi FPV drone set lightweight. The Parrot Anafi FPV drone set is a comprehensive and compact drone set designed for immersive flights. This lightweight and foldable quadcopter is ideal for aerial photography and videography enthusiasts, providing them with an unparalleled flying experience. The set includes the Parrot Anafi drone, FPV cockpit glasses 3, and a backpack, making it easy to transport and store. The drone is equipped with a full HD live streaming camera and a 3-axis gimbal, which ensures stable and smooth footage. The drone's camera can capture sharp and clear images and videos, making it perfect for capturing memories and adventures. The FPV Cockpit Glasses 3 provides an immersive flying experience, allowing you to feel like you're flying the drone in real time. The Parrot Anafi drone is easy to control and features 4 directions of obstacle sensing, making it safe to fly. It has a flight time of up to 25 minutes, giving you ample time to capture the perfect shot. The compact size of the drone and its foldable design make it easy to pack and bring with you on your travels. In conclusion, the Parrot Anafi FPV drone set is the perfect set for drone beginners and enthusiasts who want an immersive flying experience. With its lightweight and foldable design, easy-to-use controls, and comprehensive set, this drone is sure to provide you with endless hours of fun and excitement. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.